Okay. Akar plus anta. Is it? So anta means end. Akar complete means a only. Akara, khakara, kakara. So kar we add with the particular letter, we add kar. Suppose letter is kha. So we have to add kar, khakara. Suppose letter is ga. We have to add kar. Okay?
Yeah.
So this is akara. So here akarant means a particular word which ends with a is known as akaranta. Is this clear?
Yeah, sure.
So we saw 21 form of this word Rama. So can you read from your notebook all the 21 forms? Can you try?
Okay. Rama.
Yes. Very good.
Ramau.
Very good.
Ramaha.
Yes.
Ramam.
Yes.
Ramau.
Yes.
Raman.
Yes.
Ramena.
Yes.
Ramabhyam.
Yes.
Ramehi.
Very good.
Ramaya. Ramabhyam. Ramebya. Ramebya. Ramata.
Yes.
Ramabhyam.
Yes. Very good.
Ramebhyah. Ramebhyah.
Yes.
Ramasa. Rama Yoha.
Yes.
Ramanam.
Yes.
Rame.
Yes.
Yoha.
Yes.
Rameshu.
Very good.
He Rama.
Yes.
He Ramo.
Yes.
He Ramah.
Very good. Very good. Excellent. So what you understood from all these 21? Did you get any idea?
Yeah, I understand. It's quite
So
similar to Pali. Then I understand how to use, but it's not easy to memorize all, right?
yes, we will do this.
Yeah.
So it is Prathama, Dvitiya, Tritiya. We discussed this in last class. Okay, Prathama, Dvitiya, Tritiya, Chaturthi, Panchami, Shashti, Saptami, and finally Sambodhan. Sambodhan. It is not added in this. Actually, 7 are important, but the Sambodhan is also, we should know how to call someone if we need to call. Okay. So now we have to see that. So this is known as, we have written Prathama, Dvitiya, Tritiya, Chaturthi. So these are known as Karaka or cases. So there are 2 are Vibhakti. You see, we can say this, we have different name. You have to tell me what I am writing.
We have to. By the way, you have received the payment, right?
No.
Huh? Not yet.
No. When you send?
I asked my assistant to send on that very day.
No. On that day, you send me a message that it's very difficult to send. So I did not receive.
Oh, really? So I will
Yes.
check again and tell you.
No, no issue, no issue, no issue. That's why I wrote that. You don't worry, take your time. I sent a message.
Oh,
Yeah.
right.
Okay. Okay. Vibhakti. Okay.
You have to-
Vibhakti. It is in Sanskrit we say vibhakti, and in English we say case, cases. Also we say karaka. Okay. Also we say karaka. Is it? So we will see now another thing. What is the another thing? Is it clear?
Yeah. Got it.
Okay. So what is that? Case, you know, nominative case, accusative case, instrumental case, you know
I know.
all?
I
You
know.
know all?
I know all, but not very skillful in using.
Okay, don't worry, that we will see. So now you see. So I am going to make that chart, okay? So just give me 1 minute. I will be back within 1 minute. Actually, my daughter is sleeping, so she has class at 8:30. Okay, just 1 minute. Okay. Yes, I am back. Okay.
Yeah.
So we saw that Prathama. In last class we saw Ramaha Ramo Ramaha Prathama. Is it? So I
Success.
will write this. Prathama. In Pali it is Pathama. Pathama. What is in Pali? Pathama.
Pratama.
Prathama, yes. So it's Prathama, you see. Prathama. What is Prathama? Prathama
Ma.
in Sanskrit we say case. Suppose I am writing here case. Okay. So there's no need to getting confused. Okay. So this is case sign. So I am writing everything. So if you have any doubt, you can ask. Case sign. So this is case sign. Okay. Case sign. And yes, this is case sign is Prathama. Case, what will be the case? Karta. Case are Karak. Or okay, Karak. Because this is very important chapter topic. So it should be very clear. Very clear means very clear. Any doubt? Case sign is Prathama. Case or Karak is what? Karta. What we say in Sanskrit? Karta.
Prata.
Karta. Karta. Or in English, what we say? Nominative. Nominative. Nominative is it? Yes, nominative. Okay.
Kata.
Karta. Yes, Karta.
Yeah.
So this is Prathama. Then Dvitiya. Dvitiya. Okay.
Yes.
So it is karma. We will see all these in detail, but at the moment we have to write this. Karma. What is karma? Accusative. A-double-C-U. Accusative.
Karma. Karma, right? This one.
Karma. Karma.
Karma. This
Yes,
one.
karma, accusative. Yes. Then we have Tritiya.
Karma. Karma.
Accusative. Third one is, you can keep on writing also with me so that we can finish fast. Karana. Karana. Instrumental. Instrumental. Okay. And here Chaturthi. Chaturthi. Sampradhanam. Are you able to read?
Yeah.
Okay. Wherever you are facing any problem, tell me. Or let me finish, then we can discuss. Sampradhanam. Sampradhanam is correct. Dative. Okay.
Okay.
Then we have Panchami. Panchami.
Can you write Panchami more clear?
Yeah, just 1 minute. I will write more clear. Okay. You see, first what we have to do, pa. Then nyo. Nyo, how to write nyo? Either you see, I told you this. Then cha. Cha is simple. Then me. Panchami. Is it clear now?
Yeah, yeah.
Very good. Panchami. Panchami is apadhan. Okay, is ablative. Ablative, okay. Then we have Shashti. I have chart for this, but it's better to write first. It's very useful.
Yeah, sure. I also want to write.
Yeah, that's good actually. Okay, then Saptami. Finish this, I am coming. Yes.
Yeah, done.
Done?
Yeah,
Done?
done. Yeah.
So we left one because we don't have space. So I will finish this after this. So you see case sign. Case and karaka. In English we say karaka. In Sanskrit or in Hindi we say karak. Okay. So now you see prathama. Suppose I say here prathama is Rama, Ramo, Rama. When we fix this
Ramo Ramaha.
whole word on this, so it can be understood very easily. So prathama is Rama, Ramo, Rama. Dvitiya is Ramam, Ramo, Rama. Okay.
Ramo Rama.
Tritiya is, yes, Ramam, Ramo, Rama. Tritiya is
Vena
Ramena, Ramabhyam, Ramehi.
Ramehi.
Is it? Then Ramat, Ramabhyam, Ramebhyaha. Ramasya Ramayoho Ramanam. Rame Rameho Rameshu. Is it? So what I mean to say is just we have to fix that chart of 21 words on this.
Yeah.
Put one upon another. So it will be fixed. Suppose then Rama, Ramo, Rama, what is there? Karta. Nominative case. Prathama. Ramaha, Ramo, Rama. Suppose I say, in last class we saw one present tense, is it? So suppose I say Ramaha Pathati, because Ramaha is alone. In this, if we say Prathama Vibhakti or case sign. So what is this Prathama Ramaha? Ramaha Pathati for singular. If it is dual, Ramau Pathataha. Do you remember that?
Yeah.
Then if we say plural, Ramaha, then Ramaha Pathanti. So it depends on, so I will show that chart again, don't worry. So this was the chart which we discussed in the last class. Just wait. This was, you see, is it?
Not yet. Let's see. Okay.
So this is going to be common. So this is going to be common for present tense. So this is see Ramaha.
Yeah.
Rama, first person.
Ramaha.
Rama is, we can say Saha. Saha is Rama. Suppose it's Saha Tran. So Tran Pathati. Tranaha Pathati. Because when you use any masculine gender, you have to put Visarga, dots in the Prathama. Doubt? Not clear?
Clear. Very good.
Suppose actually the word is Ram. The original word is Ram.
Right.
But when we have to use this in these 21 cases, so first case, this, it will come this. Rama, you see here.
Okay.
Prathama. In Prathama, singular, Rama has to come. Ramaha, then Ramau, then Ramaha. So this is the procedure to understand these things. Okay. Suppose now we will take the chart. I will explain this with the help of one chart. Let me check if I have opened this or not. Okay, we'll see this. Now you see. This is only the chart which we discussed. Prathama vibhakti, Dvitiya vibhakti, Tritiya vibhakti, Chaturthi vibhakti, Panchami vibhakti, Shashti vibhakti, Saptami vibhakti. This is already we have seen. Just to now we saw that one chart. So karta means nominative case, accusative case, whatever. So we have 7 cases which I have written on the board. So directly we can see if it is first case, Ramaha, Ramo, Ramaha. If it is Dvitiya vibhakti, it is karma. It will be Ramam, Ramo, Rama. Tritiya vibhakti, Karanam, Ramena, Ramabhyam, Ramehi. Chaturthi vibhakti, Ramay, Ramabhyam, Ramebhyaha. Panchami vibhakti, Ramat, Ramabhyam, Ramebhyaha. Shashti vibhakti, Ramasya, Ramayoho, Ramanam. Saptami vibhakti, Rame, Rameho, Rameshu. Is there any doubt so far? No doubt. Okay. So this and this chart. So this also we saw in last class. Saha taute, tvam yuvam yuyam, aham avamyam. Are you able to see this chart?
Yeah.
Okay. So this was discussed in last class. And
Yeah.
along with this, we saw this present tense. I told you pat is the root. So this we use, this table is useful for this what we studied, first person, second person, third person.
Yeah.
So this is the first person. This is used for second person and these are used for third person. Okay.
Yeah.
So this was a pattern. So I want to tell you something new now. So what do you mean by Prathama Vibhakti? What is the English equivalent for this? We said that it is Karta. Karta means what?
Subject, right? Subject.
Yeah, Karta means, you see, I have written here. I will share this table with you. Karta means subject. So what is here in Karta? What should be? So here you see Pathati is there. So I will write it on the board now so that we can explain it better. So have you written this board, this content?
Yes.
Can I clear this? Okay. So now you see, I will take the example of first Karta Karak. So I'm going to take this example.
Please show me the chart again. I want to
yes.
subject, object.
First we will discuss, then I will show you the chart.
Okay.
First, so we will take one by one example. Then I will discuss on the basis of the table. Okay. So you see. Now you have to check with your table. Or whatever we discussed, you have to check it that. Ramaha. I am underlining this word. Because this example is related to first Prathama Vibhakti, Karta Karak. Okay? It's a nominative case. So this is a nominative case I am discussing. Nominative case, Prathama Vibhakti. So how we can look into? because this chapter is most important, this topic. Okay,
Yeah.
done. So what is Ramaha? You see in your chart, what is Ramaha? What we wrote the word Rama? What is Ramaha?
The Paratma.
Prathama, what Prathama? Singular
Number,
or plural? What?
singular.
Rama is singular. Prathama, Rama is singular. So what is this? Patha, we have not written this. So I showed you in the chart, you see. This one.
Patha.
Pathati. Pathati. Okay, just let me clear this. The Pathati.
Patati is C, right?
Yes. Yes, just one. What happened? Just 1 minute. Yes, now you see. Ramaha Pustakam Pathati. The Pathati means reading. Pat means reading. Pat is read. Pat is the root.
Reading.
Yes. Pat is the root. To read.
Read.
Just 1 minute.
Patha is to read.
Yes. Patha is to read. So just 1 minute. Ramaha Pustakam Pathati. Yes. Ramaha Pustakam Pathati. So Rama is what nominative case here?
Pustakam. What is
Pustakam means book. Pustak means book.
Okay. Pustakam.
Pustak means book. Okay. So how we can translate this? Do you have any idea? Can you
Rama.
guess?
Rama. Read book.
Rama.
Read a book.
Pathati. Reading. I told you this is present tense.
Is reading. Is reading.
Yes. Yes.
So this one is then continuous.
Present. Yes, I told you this is present. Okay. So what is here now? Rama, because we are focusing on this, because we are talking about Prathama Vibhakti nominative case. So when you see this table, this 21 words, first word is Ramaha. So nominative means this person is doing something. Something is done by someone. So present. Because
present continuous.
Yeah, subject. It is subject. So what is the subject here? Rama is the subject. So in this sentence, in Prathama Vibhakti, we have to see about the subject only. This nominative case means subject.
Okay.
Is this? We will take more example. Now we can say, we will take another example. Krishnaha. Krishnaha. So now you see, here is also Visarga, here is also Visarga. So it means we are talking about the same case. Krishnaha Jalam. Pivati. Krishna jalam pivati.
Pipati, right?
Pivati, yes, jalam. What does it mean?
Krishna Jalam
Hmm.
Vipati.
Pivati, yes, Krishna jalam pivati. So what does it mean?
I don't know.
Okay, Krishna is some, it is some known. Okay, jalam means water.
Water,
Water. Pivati means drinking.
drinking.
Yes.
Krishna is what?
Krishna is a name of a boy, or we have Lord Krishna in our mythology. We have Lord Krishna. It can be Lord Krishna, it can be a person like me or you. Okay.
Okay.
Krishna jalam pivati. So this is also nominative case. You see Krishna, Ramaha. Okay.
Vipati.
Is it clear?
Yeah.
Okay. Now we can take. So in this same example, we can see Dvitiya Vibhakti. Dvitiya Bhakti, what does it mean? Dvitiya Bhakti means accusative case. So we can see the same thing, that Dvitiya Bhakti in the same example. So what is that? You see, Jalam. Okay?
Yeah.
Jalam. So what he's doing, object is Jalam. So what action he's performing? He is drinking water. He is drinking water. Action is drinking. But what he is drinking?
Singular, right?
Yeah, singular. Yes, Krishna is singular. Yes, Jalam. So you see, so these words, Pustakam Jalam, they are not going to be same as Ram. Because these are not the masculine gender. Pustakam and Jalam, these are not the masculine gender. These are what these are? These are neutral gender.
Neutral.
So we can't form all the 21 forms of these same as Rama.
Sure.
Because that is masculine gender. These are neutral gender. So they have different. At some point of time, they are same somewhere. Some forms are same, they are matching with Rama, and some are not matching.
Yeah.
Some forms will be matching. You see, this is matching. So this is matching. You see Ramam. When you see Ramam, what is the second form in the word Rama? You tell me. Ramam, Rama, Raman. Is it?
Yeah. Ramam, Rama.
Ramam. You see. So Ramam.
Ramam.
So when we say Ramam, similarly we have same sound. Jalam. Is it?
Sure.
So ma sound is coming at the end. Getting my point or not?
Yeah.
So what I want to say is Ramam. So here we have ma. And in this Jalam also we have ma at the end. So at this stage, these words are matching. But now you Ramam, Ramau. Then what will be the next Ramau? Is it second dual case, Ramu or not? Ramam, Ramau. You see your notebook.
Ramau. Yeah.
What this can't be Jalao. We can't say this is Jalao. This is not Jalo. This is incorrect.
Jame.
It will be Jale.
Jale.
Yes. So what I wanted to convey here is, at some forms will be same. Some point of time. Now you see, Ramo is Ramam and Jalam. They are ending with the same letter. But this is not the case. Ramo, Jalo, it will be incorrect. This is correct. So what I am trying to say here is, at the some stages, at the some time, in the some forms, this masculine or neutral can be same. But it is not that all the 21 forms will be same.
Yeah.
So we will see all the 21 forms of this also, but we will come to that step by step. So now we have to finish this topic.
Yeah.
So Krishna Jalam Pivati. So Jalam, what it is indicating? Jalam, it indicating second, Dvitiya Vibhakti. Is it clear or not? Doubt?
Yeah. Go on. I understand this one. This is quite similar to Pali. So I didn't.
Okay, that's it.
Quite easy.
Okay. Then I have to remove this. Okay. Then we have a third. What is the third case? Tritiya Vibhakti. Tritiya Vibhakti is, what is that?
Yeah,
Instrumental case. Instrumental. What is instrumental? Tritiya. Let me write first Tritiya.
We use in English. We use with or for or what?
Yes, with. Yes, Tritiya.
With
so
or
we use.
Yeah,
with or by. Yes, Tritiya Vibhakti. With or by. So what can be the example of this? I will show you in my table. So now you see. We will see the similar example so that it is easy for you. So Tritiya. So I will write Ramaha. Ramaha. What he does? I will take simple example. Yes, here it is Prathama. It is Prathama. But this we have to see now. Ramaha. Astena. This we have to see. This is going to be instrumental. You see the word Rama and the Tritiya first singular. What is there?
Yeah, I would write first.
Yeah.
That's Rama hastena swadati.
Khadati, khadati,
Huh?
khadati, kha, 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 ka, kha.
Okay, okay. Okay, okay. Khadati.
Yes, khadati. Hastena. What is there in hastena? What is the form?
Ena,
Which is
ena is instrumental.
the instrumental. So this is, you see the word Rama. You see the third case of Rama, singular. Have you checked this?
Yeah.
Ramaha, Ramo, Ramaha, Ramam, Ramo, Rama. Ramen.
I mean, yeah, I know that.
You know that, okay? But that is ending with no. Here it is no. In this case, it is no.
No.
So there are some grammar rules, so that are applied. So don't worry about all this. So now hastena khadati. So hasten means with or by. Rama eating with the hands. Hand. Yes. Hastena. Rama hastena khadati. Okay. Yes. Again, we will see one more example of the same.
Athena. Pali. Rama.
Hasten.
Athena. Khadati.
Very good. Krishna. Okay. No? What is this?
Let me see.
Yes, right. Yes.
What are the Krishna? Krishnaha Musvena
Mukhena. Mukhena.
Kena Wadati
Yes.
Wadati
Right.
Wadati, right?
Vadati. Vadati means speaks. Speaks.
But without with a long vowel, right? Here you put a line at the end of the sentence. Should
This
not
is full stop.
full stop. Okay,
Yes.
I thought this one is
No. It's full stop. Yes. Krishnaha mukhena vadati. What does it mean?
Mukhena. The Krishna eat with the mukha with the mouth.
Vadati. What? No. Vadati. Speaks.
Speak with the mouth.
Wow. Speaks with the mouth. Okay. Very good. So mukhena is tritiya. Okay. Now we will see chaturthi. Fourth one. Chaturthi. Okay. So what is there in chaturthi? What is a dative case? Is it dative case?
Yeah, that's it.
So what is equivalent in English for this?
Oh, right.
For.
Oh.
Okay. For. Chaturthi is for. So how we can make the sentence? Ramaha, you see.
Rama.
Then otherwise you read Krishna. Krishna Ramaya. Because you have written the word Rama. So that's why I am taking Rama only. Krishna Ramaya
Ramaya.
Dhanam Dadati.
The Krishna offer to the Rama or the Rama.
What offer? What offer? Dhanam. Dhanam is money.
Money.
Yes, money. Money. Krishna Ramaya Dhanam Dadati. Dadati means giving, gives. Krishna. Okay.
Let me write first.
Yeah, right.
Yeah. Krishna Ramaya. Dhanam. Money.
Dhanam, yes. Dhanam.
Property.
Yes. Property, yes. Property means dhanam only. Money. Dhanam.
Dadati.
Dadati, yes. Gives.
Anti. Okay.
So what is the fourth here? What is the Chaturthi Vibhakti here? What is the Chaturthi Vibhakti in this sentence?
Ramaya.
Ramaya. Okay. Have you cross-checked with your table?
Yeah, I made
Very
it.
good. Okay. Very good. So Krishna Ramaya Dhanam Dadati. Yeah, that's great. Very good. That's why, because if you will cross-check again and again, so it will be fixed in the mind.
Yeah.
So then in future, there's no need to check that. So that's why I'm asking again. So you check with the table, Okay?
Yeah.
So Krishna Ramaya Dhanam Dadati. Okay?
Yeah.
Now we will see. Again, we will reverse this one. Now Krishna was giving to Rama. Now Rama is giving to Krishna. He is returning his dhanam.
Krishna. Yeah.
Very good. Very good.
Dhanam. Dati.
Very good. Very good.
Okay, done.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So this is the Fourth case, Chaturthi Vibhakti. Now we have Panchami Vibhakti. Panchami means what? Ablative case.
Ablative.
Is
From.
it?
Yeah, from, right?
From, very good. From, okay. So if you say, so I have to use Rama word only so that it will be fixed. Ramat, Ramat, Jalam, Anayati. Ramat Jalam Anayati.
Jalam.
Ramat Jalam Anayati. The time is moving very fast. So 1 hour is over. Even I had not felt that is 1 hour. 1 hour is over, you see.
Yeah, 1 hour finished.
Very fast, very fast. Yes.
Yeah.
You are enjoying the class or not?
Yeah, sure. Today I'm quite tired, so I want to finish it soon. But
No. As usual, I'm asking.
previous-
Overall, you are enjoying or not?
Very good.
Very good. Okay, very good. So Ramat Jalam Anayati.
Me, right? What is
Anayati. Anayati means bringing. Bringing.
But I don't see A.
No, you see Anayati. Anayati. Bringing.
Anati.
Yati.
Anayati.
Yes, Anayati. Anayati. Ramat Jalam Anayati. Okay.
Yati is
Yeah.
pronounced Yeti.
Yes. This one.
Okay.
Okay. Ramat. What is Ramat then?
Rama, the substance.
Ramat.
Rama.
So So what is the case here?
Rama is from the ability from the Rama. Zalam.
Yes, from the Rama. Yes.
Aneti. What is Aneti?
Bringing.
Bringing from.
Yeah. So he's bringing water from Rama. Bringing water from Rama. That's all. Okay. So I think we can close here up to 5th. So next class we will see 6, 7.